found this foundation at Sephora and I want to try it on to see if it matches my skin tone. I'm going to take a small amount of it. I'm just going to apply that to the jaw. To today's video. So today is episode 4 where we are going to be talking all about foundation for my back to basics for beginners for makeup. I already have my skin nice and prepped, ready for foundation application, and my eyes are already done. We are going to first talk about different types of foundation and how to choose the right foundation shade, how to choose the right foundation for your skin type, and then we are going to be going into how to apply foundation. So first let's talk about different foundation types. So this first one is a skin tint. This is the Summer Fridays Sheer Skin Tint. This one is perfect for, it's like almost like a no makeup look, or I love to actually use this one during the summer. This is a really great foundation, and I also love I think it's from Maybelline. The Maybelline 24-Hour Skin Tint is another great skin tint. And then we have some liquid foundations. So 2 of them are, well, this one is a matte foundation, which actually my new favorite foundation. So I have oily skin and I was really trying to find a really good matte foundation for my skin type. And I tried this one. I just loved it. It was so amazing. I am actually not going to be applying this foundation in this video. I was going to, but I'm going to actually do a different one. And I really like this one as well. This is another great one for oily skin. This is the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. This is medium coverage, or medium buildable coverage, and it's long lasting. This is a really, really great one. I love this one for every day, and sometimes I do use it for special occasions. So the foundation that we are going to be using in this video is the Nars Light Reflecting Foundation. This one was the perfect match for my skin tone. And then when I bought my other foundations, I kind of went to this one to almost match it with other foundations. Next is a powder foundation. I have this one. I do have another one, but it's in my makeup bag right now. This is the Natasha Denona High Glam Powder Foundation. I really do like it. Before, I wasn't really using powder foundations, but after getting this one, I love them. I definitely do use this one in the summer. Sometimes I use this one or I think it's also Maybelline. I use it for setting the under eyes, and it's amazing. I really like it. Okay, now let's talk about trying to find a good foundation shade. So again, I've already chose the right foundation shade for me. I don't have any other darker ones. I just have all of them that are pretty much my skin tone. Let's say like I found this foundation at Sephora and I want to try it on to see if it matches my skin tone. I'm going to take a small amount of it. I'm just going to apply that to the jawline, kind of blend it in and see that it's barely noticeable on my skin. That means that perfect match for my skin tone, so that this is the perfect foundation shade for me. Okay, let's kind of back up a little bit. Since I have a neutral undertone, I want to choose foundation that is for an undertone that is in the middle between warm and cool. I do kind of lean towards cool just a little bit, but sometimes I can wear a warm foundation as well. So now let's go into foundation application. So I'm going to squirt some on the back of my hand, and I'm going to take my favorite foundation brush. This is the Nikki Rose and BK Beauty, the N17 brush. I'm only going to take a small amount of the foundation and kind of work the foundation into the brush so I don't go in with a lot of foundation. So I'm going to start by not doing swiping motions, just kind of doing little tapping motions to maintain the coverage. And once I get to the outer part of the face, I'm going to do a little bit sweeping motions to blend. The same thing, doing tapping motions on the center of the face, and then once I get to the outer part, I'm going to start sweeping. Okay, I have a little bit of foundation left on the back of my hand, and I'm going to use the rest of that on the forehead. Just kind of like to tap that in and then kind of blend up and out. And then if there is brush marks, what I like to do is I take a beauty blender and just kind of buff out the brush marks, or I go over it again and just tap the brush mark out with my brush. But I don't really have any brush marks on right now. Alright, that looks all nice and blended and have a nice even complexion, and now we are ready for concealer. So I'll see you guys in episode 5 where we are going to be talking all about concealers. Bye!